Hey, what's up, my cruisers? Thank you for tuning in to theAZcruiser YouTube channel. And this one, we'll be doing something different today. We're not going to be taking the 80. Instead, I'm going to be going to my local scrapyard, and we're going to find out how much we can get for all these. These are some miscellaneous parts. I just changed my alternator out in the 80, so that's that. Got some pots and pans, some factory toe points. These are my rears for my 80, and those are for the Lexus RX350. The old rotors on the RX350, and then we got the old Panhard, original Panhard bars from the 80 series. So we're gonna find out how much we can get for all this. I believe they do it by weight, so we're just gonna go down the street. There's a few scrap yards down the street from my house. See how much we can get. So we're almost here, guys. I believe there's a few scrap yards on this side. If you're on Broadway, on the south side, you'll know what I'm talking about. Like on the Avenue side. See it? We buy used, we buy scrap. There we go. Now hiring required within. I don't know where we pull up. 1, 2, and 3 right here. I think he said pile number 3. Just this one. I guess we just chug it in here somewhere, huh? Right. This alternator too. I don't know what they want for this.
I have to get your weight again.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
I just put everything over there already.
Yeah, but the problem is, like, we don't know how much it weighed, the stuff. So we weighed the car with the stuff in it, and then we weighed it again to see how much you took off the car, you know, what it was.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what we do, to check your weight.
Oh, okay. So the other dude about this too, I don't know. I got an alternator too.
You can set that separate right here if you want. When you get off, you can take it off and put it right here.
Oh, okay.
We'll just add it to the thing.
All right. So full disclosure, we just got out of there. They gave me $9 because they said that weight was messed up. The rotors was less than that. And the alternator's 12 pounds, so that was $9 and something. So here we go, got the $9. So I mean, if you got some extra parts laying around your house, you know, you could get like at least $9, $10, you know, depending on how many rotors or stuff you got, alternators, bars. So and if you got nothing else to do on a day off or something like that, I recommend coming to your local scrapyard. You know, at least you can get something for it rather than throwing it away in the trash. You know what I mean? It's better getting $9 than nothing. So there you go. Let me know if they gave me too much or too little. If you've been to one of these before, a scrapyard, because I don't really know the weight, how much you get per weight per pound. So hope this helped if you've never been to one before. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like down below, hit that comment if you got any questions, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, the AZ Cruiser out.